Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are still down, but rejection has come. Then blue candle. So this is your engulfing candle. Okay, the previous hammer is the previous candle in the weekly was bullish hammer. This was your bullish hammer. Then we have an engulfing blue candle, and then now we are getting a rejection as well. So come back to daily again here. In daily, we have broken this previous high. So this blue candle has broken this high. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are getting the bullish. We got the bullish in 4 hour. What called bullish hammer? Sorry, bearish hammer. This was your doji, then bearish hammer. Then now we're going up again. So rejection has come from the EMA. Probably will continue going up. Okay, the time will tell. So what I'm doing in USDCHF is I am looking for longs after the pullback in daily chart. Okay, because this is your new uptrend. Okay, this high is broken. This is BOS, not bullshit, but BOS, break of structure. Okay, so this is your break of structure. Wait for the pullback and then go up, look for longs. But 4 hour looks like to me we are already here. Okay, for me, new high pullback, I think this is your entry. So if you take your longs right here, that's it. Okay, so if I continue maybe here and go for 2, that's it. That's it. Okay. So 8013. Right now we are at 7973, 8013. That's your profit. Or rather take profits right here, before this previous high, and you're good to go. Okay. So forget about what I said, because I shouldn't be doing this for free. Ignore everything what I have said. Don't believe me. All right. Because what I'm doing is worth thousands and thousands of dollars what you just saw for free, and not just in this video. Go and watch my other analysis as well, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and others, and you will see that I gave you free money. Okay, so forget everything I have said. Otherwise, you will make money if you listen to me. Subscribe, like, check out the links below the video as we discussed in the beginning. Swing trading automation. At least join free Telegram for sure. And if you don't appreciate this knowledge, I'll stop it, which I have done obviously in the past few weeks. Okay, so I don't have any motivation to do this. I'm just doing this because I am free right now. Okay, and I have this habit to make YouTube videos. Okay, I like to talk. I make these YouTube videos. I have the knowledge, but people are so retarded. People are so thankless. They think that he's just another guy on YouTube making these videos. No, I'm not just another guy. You can't do what I do. Okay, if you can do it, go and start your own channel. So if you're thankless, that's fine. That's your personality. But what I'm doing for public or whoever is watching this video, you owe me. I don't owe you anything. Okay. This is your uptrend. Price is broken. This high is broken. Pull back. We're gonna go up in 4 hours. You already have the rejection. This is your entry. This engulfing candle is your buy entry. Go long. That's your money. Okay. Again, forget everything what I said. Otherwise, you will make money if you listen to me. Subscribe, like. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.